Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Moonshiner Garage. In this episode, we're going to be testing out this little spark plug tester that I got off TikTok. Got a bunch of NGK spark plugs. We're going to clean it and do some testing and see how much these things can withstand. Okay guys, good morning everybody. It's Thursday morning. I told y'all I would do the spark plug tester thing. Let's do that. Okay, so this is the tester that I got. It's a little off TikTok, maybe like 35 bucks or something, I don't know. I picked this out 4 plugs to mess with. We got a NGK number 9. It's filthy. Got an NGK number 10. It's rusted and filthy. And then I picked up 2 9s that I melted the tip right off of. So we're gonna take a look at those. So let's start off with the 9. Dirty 9. Stick it in there, turn it on. This is the RPM. You can set it. We're just gonna set this bad boy on 3,000 RPMs. There we go. So that's what it looks like, 3,000 RPMs dirty. Okay. That was a 9. Let's slap a 10 in there. That's what a 10 looks like. That's 3,000 RPM. Wait, why am I making y'all do that? Let's do them both at the same time. Okay, so we got a 10 on this side and a 9 on this side. Dirty old used plug. And we're going to turn it up to 3,000. What do you think? Is there a difference? The 10's supposed to be colder. I don't really see much difference. I didn't really check the gap either. Now, just out of curiosity, let's take a look at these old melted plugs. They're both 9s. They're filthy. They're dirty. See what they look like. Let's turn them up to 3,000. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. Oh man, I couldn't end the video like that. We got to get the old cleaner out. Let's clean them. I'm gonna clean 2 plugs. I'm gonna clean the 10. Stuck that in there wrong. Let's go ahead and clean them off. Yeah, we'll clean one of these. Handy dandy, Harbor Freight. Okay, so after we cleaned them, this is our 10. Almost cleaned it off. And this is our 9. Did a pretty good job on the 9. All right, let's do it again. Let's put the 9 over here. Let's put the 10 over here. Y'all think you're gonna see a difference? Should I go gap them? Let me go see if I can find my gap tool. Hold on. Got it. What do you think we're gonna gap them to? I say we gap them to... I can't see. Let's just gap them to 40. How about that? Send them bad boys up to 40. 40 on 10. And... 40 on the 9, okay? All right, and I don't think we can gap. No, there's nothing to gap there. We won't gap those are burnt, gone. Too much nitrous. Okay, here we go. We got the 9 and the 10 stuck in there. Shut her down. Let's see if we see any difference. Here we go. 3,000 RPM. It looks like to me that the 10 is hitting on both sides, the 9's only hitting on one. Hold on. Bring the 9 up a little bit more. Let's look at it again. Nope, that's a pretty weak plug. Probably wouldn't run that plug, I'm gonna be honest with you. All right, y'all wanna see? That cleaner does an awesome job, doesn't it? Man, it's amazing. You think it'll do better now that it's clean? Rusty against the shiny. Here we go. 3,000 RPM. What do y'all think? I don't know what that tells us, but it makes good content, don't it? I'd run them. Okay, there's only one more test I want to do, and that's the wife helped me with the spark plugs. Oh. Oh. 3 drops, 3 drops. Will she fire again? That'll be the truth. Here we go, here we go. How many of y'all get rid of those plugs when you drop them? Here we go. This will be a good way to find out, huh? Is it good? Is it good? Oh, she no fire. 3 drops. She done. Hold on. Let's regroup it. Just make sure. Hold on. Oh, well, the gap did close. Let's open the gap back up. Okay. Gapped it back to 40. What do you think? Here we go. 3,000. Still firing. It looks pretty weak though, don't it, guys? Wow. I think we need to do one more test. Let's whack this porcelain real good and see if she still fires. How about that? Let me get this hammer out. There we go. Let's put that right there. Now will she fire? Let's do one more. 3's always going to 1, 2, 3. That is no way that spark plug's going to fire. No way. Oh man, here we go. Sticking it in. Number 9, been dropped 3 times, been hit with the hammer 3 times. Will she fire? Holy moly! NGK for the win. Okay, we can't let this go. All right, different strategy. We're gonna go. Let's see. Whoa. No way. No way. That's gonna fire. No way. We're going way left now, guys. Come on. Oh my God. Does it look like it's firing better? All right, hold on. We're gonna do. Okay. That. Last test. Holy cow. Let's see. Probably gonna tear my little testing machine up. Oh my God. Here we go. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, guys. This is the last test. Will she fire? Will she fire? Oh my God. I don't even know what to say, guys. I don't even know what to say. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my little spark plug testing short. I'm actually trying to try out different things on YouTube, but this is one of the deals that I like to keep in mind anyway for people that don't have money and knows how to do stuff like I do. I'm broke. No, I wanted to keep this in mind for everybody. This is just a really good tool to be able to clean the spark plug and also to check the spark plug, especially if you're a nitrous guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out Moonshiner Garage.